Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to open a startup bank plus issue safes in AngelList stack. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to open a startup bank issue plus saves in your AngelList stack, you need to be sure that Startup Bank is not a product offered by AngelList Stack. So if you want to open your startup bank through it, you cannot simply do it. You can use the platform's feature to raise capital from investors and manage your equity, but you cannot maintain a startup bank. So here you can simply use your AngelList to issue like simple agreement for future equity and manage the process by simply setting up your company on AngelList. After this, you can simply create and manage a front round, and once you have simply managed your fundraising round, you can invite and track investors. After inviting and tracking investors, you can issue and execute the safes. By executing the safe, you mean to manage and sign your safe and use safe cleanups as well. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.